this morning. This morning I woke up, I just wasn't in the mood. When I tell you I wasn't in the mood, I mean, I woke up this morning feeling like I didn't want to go to work. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to open my laptop. I didn't want to put in lunch for school. I just didn't. And then I realized I don't have to. Because for the longest time, I was stuck in a job, trying to find my hairband. I was stuck in a job or in jobs that didn't serve me, right? I was stuck in situations where I honestly couldn't even follow up with myself to find out how I was doing. Okay, this looks cute, but it's done. I couldn't like just be in touch with me and be okay. But I kept going because I needed to, because I needed the paycheck. I had to keep the lights on. I need to pay the rent. I needed to pay school fees. I needed to buy groceries, and so on and so on. And yet there was no savings account. There was no emergency account. There was no money for vacations. And thinking about just how hard I was working and realizing how many other people just like me was doing the same thing is one of the things that made me realize I needed a change. And it's been a while since I've worked a 9 to 5, but the reality of the fact that I was running in the cycle for a very long time is what blows my mind. And the fact that we consistently do the things that doesn't serve us in any way is mind blowing. So if you're a mommy that got up this morning, or a dad that has come back from night shift, or a grandmother on their way to retirement, but the amount of money that's left for retirement is not even close to what you thought they'd be. And if you are looking for some way to just change the current reality or what your reality would look like if you do not make a change, then you should really consider getting a side hustle such as digital marketing. Not because everyone's doing it, because it allows you as yourself to show up, whether it is that you are tech savvy or not, whether it is if you are shy or not, because you could do faceless, whether or not you are in a position of maybe being in isolation where you just don't want to be around a lot of people. You don't need a community to start, but when you start you gain a community. And there's so much help offered, there's so much consistent people that are cheering you on your journey, that you will never feel alone. But if you really want to make that change and have more than just money in your bank, but that comfort, confidence, and ability to use your time, utilize your time any which way you want to, then digital marketing is surely for you, because it gives you and it allows you the space to be entirely yourself and to help others do exactly the same. So if you are ready, or you just want to know more about this, comment to me in the comments so I can give you some more insight and some extra tips.